In less than 2 weeks, we'll be free of all mandatory COVID restrictions, but the virus will also be unbridled, free to run wild. So what happens next? Well, cases are now averaging over 26,000 a day. By July the 19th, the Prime Minister has said they'll have doubled to 50,000. And the Health Secretary has said they could reach 100,000 a day later in the summer. So is the government right to give up on the controls? Well, let's look at some of them. Nightclubs will be free to open from July the 19th. One study estimated that keeping them closed reduced the R number, the rate at which the virus spreads, by 12%. Reopening the doors could lead to super spreader events. Social distancing has also been effective. Staying at least 1 metre apart from someone with COVID reduces the chance of infection from 13% to just 3%. So crowding together again increases the risk. What about masks? Now hotly debated, of course. Researchers estimate from studies around the world that if the entire population of a country wears them, the R number is reduced by 26%. But they also found that national mandates corresponded with only an 8% increase in the number of people who said they'd wear a mask all or most of the time. So many people may now choose to continue wearing masks in certain situations, even though they don't have to. But all these studies were done before widespread vaccination, so the controls might be less effective now as immunity rises and fear of the virus falls. It seems the government has gambled everything on the effectiveness of the vaccine. Right now, the data is in its favour. Back in January, 1 in every 50 cases resulted in someone dying. Now it's fewer than 1 in 1,000. But if daily cases do reach 100,000, even that very small risk can still add up to 100 extra deaths a day. The Delta variant will sweep the globe, so other countries are looking at how we are dealing with them at the same time as reopening the economy. In a sense, it is an experiment, and we are the guinea pigs.